So Matilda, what are we doing today? We're gonna see what's underneath this floor.
I've been dying to do this for so long. Who only knows what it's going to look like. I'm praying to God it's already varnished and it's like these really nice floorboards, but that might not be the case because of course carpet was here originally. You can see the grippers and stuff, so we'll see what it's like. Hey.
Yeah, we'll try and carve this section out and lift it and reveal what the floor's like underneath.
Okay.
Should we just tear first? Let's see. Oh, that's good. It's just over the line, I think.
Oh, it's stapled.
No. Stapled.
What are we going to do? Have we got any, don't do it all. We just want to lift it up, don't we?
Yeah. How flexy are these boards?
I don't know. Well, maybe we could do it and do it all. Then.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Oh, I think it's floorboards. I think it's floorboards. I can see they're like this width. I think it's floorboards and I think it's varnished.
Ooh. So don't have any crowbars, so we're going to use this and this
Okay.
and see what happens.
Woo.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Look, good condition though.
What's it look like? What's it look like? What's it look like?
You look.
You sure?
Single man, reveal yourself.
Oh, they're quite good.
Oh!
They're quite good.
Oh, they are pretty good.
Right? I mean,
A little bit dirty.
there's a lot of paint on this side.
Yeah.
There's a lot of paint on this side on them. But they're not damaged.
They're not damaged, they look pretty clean.
Well, yeah, I don't know if you've seen that yet. Oh wait, is there a way just to get the paint off but not everything else, like the varnish and stuff?
Yeah,
Without sanding it?
might be a Google jobby. Happy?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Do the whole lot now, shall we?
We're gonna come back when the complete floor will be this. Time warp. Let us know in the comments if you agree
See what we're doing.
with what we're doing, or if you think we shouldn't have bothered and it should just be carpet. Just taking down the boarding from the dressing room. Oh, look at that perfect fit. Nice. Ooh. And around the corner, and there's the fluffy seals. Oh yeah, we've not said anything, but since we moved in, I'm not sure if we showed you guys the garden, but my mum came in the other day and completely de-weeded it. Jesus Christ. Did not record any of that process, but
Transformed.
it's transformed.
Hello, this is Celia from the future. I'm not quite sure what happened to this footage, but I think it's gone a little bit corrupt. So to explain what we were doing here, we had the white spirit and we had a spatula and we were just trying to peel off the paint as much as we can off the floorboards. We'll skip to the next video now. It's Jake's mum and I painting the floorboards. Enjoy!
Ooh. Painting in the dressing room's going well. Ooh. Before.
There we have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to our very first dressing room video. We're so happy with the floor. This is kind of 2 days on. We didn't go for the most expensive brand, we actually went for B&Q's own brand, which we're really, really happy with. It definitely beats sanding, varnishing the living room and the dining room floor. Stay tuned because we've got so many things happening in this dressing room and I can't wait for you to see what we do. Bye!